Hi everyone, this side Nefi. So this is my another video where I'll be explaining about my skill test that is for the React skill test. It is calculator React. So first of all, I'll just show you the hosted application. So here it is. So this is an application where I hosted it on Electrify. So this is a basic calculator. So what exactly it is doing, like for example, any calculation like 7 into 7, then I want to plus 3, then I want to minus 6, then I want to multiply it with 5, any such kind of expression. I want to give it like plus 5.5. So all of this can be done. So if I click on equals, it will give me the expression which is 27.5, which is the value after this calculation. So these are the different options. AC, like basic calculator it is. So I'll explain you how exactly I have made this and what all I have used. So I have used the byte to create the React application. So I'll explain the whole thing from here. So coming from the source file, we have app.js where I have put in the custom calculator provider. So these are having the other uh, components, display and buttons, wherein um, display is the part which is over here, and the buttons are beneath this. So calculator. So I've made basically custom context so that every operations which we are doing, every calculation or whatever it is, should be a single file should be there where it would be easy to debug or should be easy to fetch the data without getting into props and prop drilling mechanism. So I've used that particular custom context. So I'll just go to that custom context later, but let's see what is there in the display. So in the display, I have used the this is use value is the custom values which we are getting from the calculator context over here. So these are multiple divs, like buttons are there, like these buttons are there, and then we have the exact value, like basically screen where we are putting the value which we are getting from the custom provider calculator context. So going to the so there are basic CSS that is provided over here, very basic CSS, and then we have the buttons which over here we can see. So these are the different operations that I'm fetching from the again custom provider, which is calculator context, and these are the buttons basically divs. So all the numbers and according to the operations I am operating them. Like for percentage, I'll handle operator. For the numbers, I'm handling num. So these are for calculating. I'm handling calculate save. So these all are there. These are the things. So I'll just now go to the custom context where everything is happening. So coming back to over here. So I have created this using create context. Then we have the use value, which is a custom hook I have created so that I don't need to import the use context in every single component and then use the custom provider. So this is the custom calculator provider where the function like basically this is what I am exporting. So children as props, then I have the input, only single use state I've used, which is the input and set input. Now safe expression is basically I have made a calculator safe, like basically if I am calculating an expression, so I want that expression should be sanitized so that no like hacking or something would be there. So that I have done. So only the this expression explains basically that the forward slash, that is divide, then the plus, then the minus, then multiply, then percentage, then brackets means parentheses, and then there is any empty space. So D is basically for the only digits, like numbers would be there. Nothing more than that can be allowed in this. So if this is true, then only the calculation will be done, and that is how the calculation is done. So handle operator, basically I've done the like if the same operator is being pushed, like I cannot add multiply and then divide all together. So if any of the operator is already there, then I don't want another operator after that. So handle num is basically adding the just concatenating the number with the string. So toggle sign, basically toggle sign is what, like for example 7 is there. Okay, I want this plus 7, but I want minus 7. So this is the toggle. That is what is there. So all of this is being done, and that is how the calculator is being working. And I have exported all these values with the value parameter, and this is all we are getting from the context, like use value. These are the um, values. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for listening. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.